Number 3, you're going to solve the following system of equations graphically. Then you're going to set the coordinate of the solution here. And to see the two difference between here, I am going to be distinguishing them with red and blue. So the first one, I need the slope, which is m is equal to 1 over 1. That is that number in front here, 1 over 1. And the y-intercept here, it is 8, so b is equals to 8. All right. And then to graph it, I go to the 8. I go up 1 across 1. I can repeat that. All right, and that is the line that it makes. So now I'm going to do my best to draw a line. There it goes. That is the first one. Then the second one, which is going to be in blue, the slope here looks like it's m is equal to negative 2 over 1. Because remember, it's always divided by 1. And that b here, it is negative 4. So that negative 4 is right here. And it goes down 2 across 1, down 2 across 1. To get the other end, I can just do the opposite. Up 2 over 1. Okay, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Okay. And then if I can connect it the best that I can, okay, it does look like it does intersect. And it looks like it does intersect at this point here. Looks like it is negative 4 comma 4. Okay, so that is the point here. Negative 4 comma 4 would be its intersection, which is also the solution of this system. All right, I forgot one thing. I forgot to draw the arrows here to denote the line goes on forever. B, the first one's going to be in red. The slope here is m equals to negative 1 over 5, and the b is negative 8. All right, so we go to negative 8, and it looks like we go down 1 across 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To get the other end, I can just do the opposite. So up 1 across 3. Up 1 across 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 1 across 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, looks like it's that line there. Okay. And then the next one, the slope is 3 over 5, and the y-intercept here is negative 4. Negative 4 here, so we go up 3, 1, 2, 3, across 5, 3, 4, 5, up 3, 1, 2, 3, across 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's repeat this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it looks like it crosses right there. Okay, very neatly. Right, so then I can just extend it. This is our line. Their intersection is right here. Looks like that's at negative 5 comma negative 7. So negative 5 comma negative 7 is the solution to this system. All right, and then let's do the last one. The slope here is negative 1/2. So it's down 1 across 2, and the y-intercept here is negative 6. Go negative 6, we go down 1 across 2, down 1 across 2, down 1 across 2, down 1 across 2. We can repeat it on the other end, up 1 across 2, up 1 across 2, up 1 across 2. All right. Then let's connect it with a straight line. There we go. Then the next one, m is equal to 1 over 1, right? That's the slope, 1 over 1, and the y-intercept here is 6, so we can go 6 here. Up 1 across 1, up 1 across 1, up 1 across 1. To get the other end, we can do the same, down 1 across 1, right? It should intersect right there neatly. All right. Okay, and it looks like it intersects here at the point negative 8 comma negative 2. Perfect. So the solution is negative 8 comma negative 2. That is the solution for this system right here. So there you go. That is how you graph and determine the solutions graphically.